Good morning. Turning to the next example from 4.1, they are asking us that find reduced form of following percent. We have to express that reduced form in the form of ratio. So that of this following percentage. Now they are writing 75 as 200. Can I write in this way? 75, this numerator, okay, upon this denominator, okay. Now as I told in last period, I have to reduce it, means I have to divide with the same number in numerator also and in denominator also. So, may I write balanno? May I split this as 75 into 3? Okay, upon 75 into 4. Am I right? So, 25 into 4. 25 into 3 because 25 3s are 75. 25 4s are 100. So, 25 1s are 25. 25 1s are 25. So, what's remaining? It is 3 adds to 3 upon 4. Okay? And this one in ratio form I can write. See this numerator. Numerator is 3. Okay? This sign. Okay? And now write denominator. So, a ratio came as 3 as to 4. Okay. Now, see the next example. See what we are doing. We are expressing this percentage in the reduced form. We are writing its ratio. Okay. So, now see next example. They are saying 0.64%. Okay. What do you mean by this sign? This sign is that of the percentage and it means denominator is 100. So, should I write that in this way? 0.64. Okay. As I told, this sign is a percentage. It means that in denominator is 100. Okay. Now, I want its reduced form and at last I want to write its ratio. So, I will write 0.64 upon 100, no? So, I will make it slight easy and I will write 64 because 2 zeros are here. Huh? So, count it upon this 100 into 100. Okay, that means it came as 64 upon C. Okay, now 64 upon 1000. Okay, now see 64 upon 10,000. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I want reduced form, no? So I will divide by the same number. So can I split this 64 64 as 16 into 4. Yes, I can split this as 16 into 4. And what about this denominator? Can I split it? Yes, I can split it. Come on, we will divide by 4. We will try. Okay. 4 2s are 8. Okay. So, 4 2s will come as we will divide it by 16. So, 16, that 16 6s will come as 96. See here. We will divide by 16. We will try. So, 16 6s will come as 96. Okay. That remainder is 4. Okay. Now we will take this 0. Okay. So 16 2s will come as 32. Okay. Remainder is 8. Take this 0. Now we can guess again 16 5s. Okay. That means that multiplication is coming as, splitting up 10,000 is coming as 625 into 16. Okay. So we splitted this 10,000 into 625 into 16. Now see here. Here we can divide, no? 16 1s are 16. 16 1s are 16. So what's coming here? There is coming 4 upon 625. And so we can write it in the ratio form. How can we write it in the ratio form? So we can write it in this way. See this numerator 4, this sign, okay, and denominator 625. Okay, see the example once. Okay, so we have to express this percent in reduced form, and at last we have to write the ratio. How can we solve it? Arey, what is this sign means? This sign itself means percent. That means in denominator we can write 100. So 0.64 upon 100 I wrote. Now I want reduced form. So I will try to simplify it. Okay. So 0.64 was there, no? So I took it as 64 upon 100 to make it simple. Okay. For that I counted 1, 2. So I kept 2 zeros. Okay. Then this 100 as it is in denominator. So what's the example came in front of me? That came as in numerator 64 and in denominator 100 into 100 came as 10,000. Okay. Now this is simple than this one now. Okay. Now I can reduce it. Okay. So 64 upon 10,000. For that 64 I splitted it as 16 into 4 because 16 4s came as 64. 10,000 also I splitted as 625 into 16. Now see, I can divide as 16 ones are 16, 16 ones are 16. So what I got? I got 4 upon 625. But they ask me ratio, no? So at first I wrote 4 which is in numerator. Then I made this sign for ratio, okay? And I wrote denominator 625. In such way, we express this 0.64% in the